Hey, little friend. We better pick our food.
He looking, he must smell it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you on a trip to Orlando, Florida. It's me and my friend Andrea, and we are both in the beauty industry and decided to attend Orlando Premier International Beauty Event. Now, we had a little fun too while we were there, so just sit back and enjoy the ride.
Now these ain't the
Spider, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for a show, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor.
I hope you guys have your seatbelts on. We are headed over to Orlando's Sugar Factory to enjoy one of their bubbling dry ice drinks. Now, they had a good time in here, so I'll make sure I show you just a little piece of the action.
Say my name, if no one is around you, say baby I love you, if you ain't running game. Say my name, you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me kinda shady, ain't calling me baby, better say my name. Other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? That you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday?
Hold me till I scream forever and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
This is nice, girl.
Now, that was my Tiffany Haddish voice.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl. This artist is you right here. Okay.
And wash me over until my well
We better pick our food.
He looking, he must smell it.
There goes some. Okay, so we have made it to Premiere Orlando, and it is the largest beauty show in the U.S. Just come along and I'll give you a peek inside.
Let me know, do I still got time to grow? Things ain't always set in stone. That be known, let me know.
What freaks people out is when you put it on the nail.
Let me know, do I still got time to grow? Things ain't always set
so that I can spend more time on the details that your customers care about. Your customers care about really beautiful cuticle work and clean color line, and all the edges are covered.
Streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination. I'm just out there. All these streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cab and I paid my fare. See, I know my destination. I'm just not there with these streets.
Listen, we had a good time at this show, and these massage chairs here, I love them. I'm definitely gonna get me one soon. Alright, and that's it for this trip. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more videos like this. There are more awesome videos on my channel. I'll put them up on the screen here, so make sure you check them out.